sounds in this car. Alright, so we're in 4th gear.
Going to 5th.
Yeah. This thing is violent, man. Every time it shifts, it's just like whoop, whoop.
Very bumpy.
Yeah, very bumpy. We gotta do something about these coilovers.
It's hard to keep the phone still.
I'm not dealing with these coilovers. Like, these coilovers have got to go.
Yep. Most definitely.
Mostly, I just wanted to get some sounds of this motor singing, man. This RB going sweet, sweet singing.
I'm just showing most of the car right now. Jeez.
We're following the girls up there.
Right
So,
there.
it probably seems like I'm driving fast, but I'm not, because my wife is driving even faster.